Hi, this is Scott McDonald, a solution design consultant with Cprime. What I want to walk you through today is a solution that we have created that powers the modern day HR experiences with Atlassian. What I'm going to walk you through is existing JSM functionality powered with new functionality under the journeys, as well as taking advantage of the automation rules, as well as Rovo. So let me start out with how we approach this and the approach this entails. So what we followed is really the three principles guiding the enterprise onboarding and offboarding project. It maximizes the use of base functionality. It fully leverages customer investments. And the third one is starting small, moving fast, and dreaming big. So that means you're committing to an agile implementation, more or less. So as you can see here, you're looking at a JSM queue. Within here are tasks that I have created based on journeys that I've developed. So within journeys, we have two that we've created, a full-time employee and a voluntary separation. So within those are the two industry standards, I would say, the two industry use cases that are most used across the board. Within there, it's going to have its own set of tasks, its own set of automation rules, its own set of functionality. But again, those are the two most common use cases within the HRSM space. Everything is based on a set of criteria. So what I mean by that is within the journey itself, it's creating tasks. It's relying on statuses. It's using projects, specific projects to create these in, and it's using automation rules to create additional tasks based on specific criteria. And then all these come back and utilize the JSM existing functionality of work types, queues, assignees, groups, you name it. Lastly, the other thing that we want to introduce were Rovo agents. Rovo agents really help us curate information that is relatively could be spread out within Confluence. So what that does is several of these agents will take that information, compile it. You can have it create a space. You can create a table of information. Really depends on what you want to do and how your use case calls for, as well as what you're looking to do within that agent. So we've created an onboarding plan assistant, HR policies assistant, and checklist assistant. Again, this is utilizing JSM functionality plus new functionality that they're leveraging journeys, as well as existing automations functionality, workflow functionality, and things like that.